Upholstery that shows clear manufacturer warnings or complex fabric constructions is often not suitable for do-it-yourself cleaning. Start by checking the cleaning code sewn into the cushion or tag. If you find the code labeled with the letter X, that means the fabric must be vacuumed or spot cleaned with a professional solvent only, and water-based cleaners are not recommended. Some fabrics like silk, certain velvets, and glued seams react poorly to moisture, so test in an inconspicuous area and watch for severe browning or shrinkage within a few minutes. If you cannot find any manufacturer guidance at all, that is a red flag, because you lack the baseline instructions needed to choose safe products and techniques. High-value or irreplaceable pieces, such as antiques or custom upholstered heirlooms, should be handled by a trained upholsterer who can preserve original construction and finish. Finally, if the stain is chemically complex, like dye bleed, rust, or old urine that is soaked into padding, professional extraction and deodorization equipment is usually required to fully remove contaminants without causing more damage. Common mistakes include assuming water-based cleaners are safe for every textile, which can cause color bleeding. The fix is to always identify cleaning codes first and perform a spot test with blotting rather than rubbing. A second mistake is using too much agitation or heat, which can lead to surface pilling or shrinkage. Use gentle blotting and room temperature products and allow slow air drying. A third mistake is trying to mask odors with heavy fragrance, when the underlying contamination remains. Address the source with appropriate enzyme treatments or professional deep cleaning rather than relying on perfumes. We run bighomeprojects.com, where we help homeowners connect with local contractors for upholstery repair and professional cleaning. We also help contractors find work and participate in our discussion community, so homeowners and pros can exchange real experience and practical advice.